What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to what is this even called? Technical Tuesdays. Um, same stories yesterday. Not much got done in terms of studying um, engineering or econ. But today I did I did study within the allocated time. So I researched technical analysis of market trends. So looking at different fair value, where how fair value gaps are created, when order blocks are created, how you analyze bullish versus bearish trends, shorting versus buying stocks, how do you mitigate risk when, or not stocks, but just in general, when you're shorting versus buying commodities in the market. And so that kind of was mainly what I was focusing on, but I also went into a little bit of graphical analysis of some macroeconomic models, like the elementary labor, wages, and unemployment, how those all three of those interact, and how what kind of trends you see on the graphs. And other than that, yeah, that's pretty much all I covered today. But I'm feeling good, adhering more to the schedule. I woke up late today, but woke up late today, and I didn't go on my run. But my blister is healed, so tomorrow, no matter what time I go to bed, I'll be up at 4 in the morning. 4 in the morning? 4:45. Be up at 4:45, get my run in, and we're gonna be right on track. We're gonna keep on cruising, keep on pushing. Um, this week has been a blessing. I got some free time and some motivation. I'm feeling the fire a little bit, so I'm going to use it while I have it, and hope that practice becomes habit, and that will kind of carry me through the periods where, I'm feeling a little bit less than motivated to do all the things I've set out. And I think just keeping in mind the end goal, what my end goals are, and rehashing them every morning, every night, will reinforce the importance of the why I'm doing all these things that sometimes seem tedious in the moment. So, trying to cement that mental framework and be locked in for the winter, because the winter is coming. Other than that, life is good. I think I jacked up my hair when I was doing my haircut, but it's okay. It's only hair. As always, thanks for tuning in. Leave me a comment. Let me know thoughts, comments, critiques, concerns, suggestions, and I'll see you tomorrow for Wildcard Wednesday. Oh, and I have to give you guys a topic, right? I have to tease the topic a little bit. I don't know. Let me think about this for a second. Probably cut this part out of the video, but let me think about it. I think, what am I competent at? What am I? Opportunity. Oh yeah, taking advantage of opportunity. And it's a perfect segue from roadblocks. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, opportunity. What to do when opportunity comes your way, how to recognize opportunity, how to prepare yourself to be able to recognize opportunity. All those things are going to be covered tomorrow. Look forward to that, because I think that's actually kind of an interesting topic. Yeah. Cool. Peace. Stay juicy.